Welcome to GH Maths 2 for CET. ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ MCQs ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಡಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ GH Maths 2. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PC. Now question is integration from 1 to 3 x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into dx is equal to what? Option A 1, option B 0, option C 3, option D 2. ಸರಿ, ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟು ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 2x, minus 1 into x minus 1x, minus into minus plus 2 into x minus 3. Clear. First x square minus 2x minus 1x is nothing but minus 3x plus 2 into x minus 3. Again multiplication, x square into x, x cube. See, x square into x, x cube. X into minus 3x minus 3x square, x into 2 plus 2x, minus 3 into x square minus 3x square, minus 3 into minus 3x plus 9x, minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Clear. Highest power x cube, minus 3x square minus 3x square minus 6x square plus 2x plus 9x plus 11x. Only constant, last minus 6 into dx. Limits 1 to 3. Integration x power 4 by 4 minus 6 into x cube by 3 plus 11 into x square by 2 minus 6x from 1 to 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Upper limit minus of lower limit. Upper limit minus of lower limit. Upper limit 3. 3 to the power of 4, 81 by 4. Here 3 square, 3 cube, 27 into 2, 54, plus 11 into 3 square, 9, 9 into 11, 99, by 2, minus 3 into 6, 18, minus half, lower limit 1, 1 by 4, minus 2, plus 11 by 2, minus 6, 81 by 4, plus 11 by 2, minus 54 minus 18, 12, 1 3 72, minus half, 1 by 4 plus 11 by 2, minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. LCM 4, 81 plus remaining here 99, 2 into 1 198, minus 72, minus half, 4 LCM 1 plus 22 minus 8, 198 plus 81, 198 plus 81, 9, 17, 279 by 4, minus 72 minus half, 23 minus 18 to 4, 32 divided by 4, 279 minus 8, 288 divided by 4, minus half, 23 minus 32, 9, minus 9 by 4, 279 minus 288, 288 minus 290, 79, 9, 0, 0, minus 9 by 4, minus into minus, plus 9 by 4, cancel, answer is 0. Out of 4 options, option B is the correct answer. Thank you.